So I live really deep into the woods, and there's only so much plowing that is done out here. And so my driveway, which is long, and the stretch of what I'm going to call a road down to the river doesn't get plowed. And one of the things that I'm told is that if you drive over the snow while it's snowing, you actually don't have to plow. And so that's what I've been doing. It's been working out well, but we got a big snow dump coming, and I woke up this morning to about 6 inches. So I'm gonna go do my first run and see how well it goes. And if I get stuck, I get stuck. But I'd rather take the risk so I can have water for the rest of the season. Yeah. So you see I'm running tracks, just looping down here, and then I ran a bunch of tracks up to the river, and I'll just repeat that all day. So there's a plot twist. My neighbors bought a little stretch of land that has a road on it that bypasses the road that comes up to my property, and they were plowing it, and they were threatening to not plow it this year, and it looks like they are not plowing it, because I went and I did my little stretch, packed it down so that I could get out, but it looks like I have to go into town to make sure that I can get in and out of my house. It's working. I just have to devote my entire day to it. I'm on the couch warm right now, though, after a hard day's work. And it's actually been a really fun day running through all that snow, and it's taken a lot of effort to not just pull off and throw a bunch of donuts. I'm out here by myself. I can't risk getting stuck. But man, perfect donut weather.